They got plastic everywhere, baby. Rip me out the plastic. I'm finna be acting brand new with my new bag, period. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another video. You guys, I am super excited for this video. So this video is going to be a luxury bag unboxing. So the bag I will be showing you guys is the Fendi Baguette chain Midi, and it is so super cute. When I seen the bag online, I was like, I need her to add to my collection. So I haven't opened this bag yet. I wanted to open it with you guys. I opened the package, but I didn't like take the bag out the box or anything. So we're about to open this bag together, okay? The information for this bag I will leave down below in my description, along with a coupon code so you guys can get some coins off. We all love a good discount code. Is the box that it comes in. Y'all know the yellow box with the black trimming. This is what it'll come in, and when you open it, your bag is gonna be in here, of course. So inside the box, your bag is going to come in this here Fendi bag.
Yes, all you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. Don't deny what you feel, let me undress you, babe. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know.
When you take her out the plastic, she is wrapped again. They make sure your bag is like safe and secure, like that it's not gonna come damaged. Like they take pride in their packaging, and I absolutely love that. I have worked with this company before on my last Fendi bag, my bucket bag. They are just a great company to get your bags from. So yeah, and it comes with like some tape on it. Baby, they got her secured. They got her secured. Like, ain't no scratch gonna get on this bag. It's not gonna come bundled up, buckled up, like none of that. I'm just taking the tape off the yeah. Baby, they got plastic everywhere, baby. Rip me out the plastic. I'm finna be acting brand new with my new bag, period. So when you take her out, this is what she looks like. I don't know if y'all can see because my light is crazy. This is what she is giving. She is a nice pale pink with the Fendi logo on it with the gold hardware. I absolutely love it. She is so cute. Perfect for the summertime. And I took all of the plastic off of the gold chain. This is the chain. This is how it looks. I don't know what it's giving off on camera, but it's giving like a really nice gold. Like it's not too golden. I do wish it had like a little bit more weight to it. That's the only thing. There's nothing special about the handles. They don't say anything on it like Fendi or nothing like that. And on the back, this is what it looks like. Right here it says Fendi. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it says it on both of the sides. Just real cute and simple. Like she's just real cute and simple. In the inside they have like this little bubble so the bag can keep its shape, and then it also comes like with the little card thing with all the little, you know, stuff in there. I don't need that. So in the inside of the bag, it has a zipper pocket right here, and then it also says Fendi in the inside. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says Fendi in the inside right here on this little gold plate right there. So yeah, you can also wear this bag two ways. You can wear it just like a long, you know, like a long shoulder strap bag, or you can double her up like this and wear her like, you know, under your arm. And she fits so good. She fits so good under my arm. Y'all know I got these chubby arms, and she fits, okay? She fits it really well. So this is her in all her glory. So this bag is super cute. I think it'll be great for the summertime and the springtime. Being that the color is like a pale pink, I do feel like you can kind of ease this into fall and winter as well. So I would say she's a all around the way girl, okay? She's an all around the way girl. I absolutely love her. She's so cute, and I feel like I can fit a nice amount of stuff in here. Like I really do. So this bag retails originally for $34.90, $3,490. Yeah, we're not doing that. And the dimensions on this is 14 by 5 centimeters by 7 by 24 on the authentic one. On this one, it is 13 centimeters by 17 centimeters by 24 centimeters. And I'll have exactly how much this retails for on the website right here. And I'll also have all of the sellers' information down below in my description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe, because I got a lot coming. I ain't been posting for a certain reason, but I got some more stuff coming for y'all. Y'all gonna love it. So make sure you subscribe, like this video if you like these type of videos. Even if you don't, girl, like it anyways, okay? Because we love a good bag. We love a good bag. And comment down below, tell me what's y'all favorite summer bag, what's y'all go-to bag for the summertime. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.